Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Live Chemistry class. आज के क्लास में पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स की स्टडी को हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए ग्रुप 13 में, जैसा कि हम पहले बता चुके हैं, ग्रुप 13 में हम आज तुम लोगों को बोरान की प्रॉपर्टीज जो कि रेस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट ऑफ ग्रुप 13 से थोड़ा डिफर करती है, उसके बारे में हम डिटेल डिस्कस करेंगे कि किस वजह से बहुत से रिएक्शन तुमने देखे थे जो कि डिफरेंट थे बाकी एलिमेंट से। बोरान कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज उस जो ग्रुप की 13 ग्रुप की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं उनमें कुछ शो करता है और कुछ में एबनॉर्मलिटी पाई जाती है। टोटल डिफरेंट नहीं है ये तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंट है। तो उस डिफरेंट को हम एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर ऑफ बोरान कहते हैं। तो आज हम इसी बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे आज की क्लास में। बोरान differs markedly from the rest of the members of the group 13. This is known as abnormal behavior of boron. And this abnormal behavior is illustrated by the following properties. First, boron has very small atomic radii. Hence, there is greater nuclear attraction on the outermost electrons. It has very high ionization energy. ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज जो है भी जो इस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ 13 ग्रुप और प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बोरान पढ़ा था उसमें सारी चीजें थी। This gives boron a distinct non-metallic character while the rest are metals. It is harder in comparison to other members. Boron has maximum covalency of 4 due to non-availability of d orbitals, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इसका कितना होता है 5, 2 and 3, while the rest have maximum covalency of 6. Rest of the element जो होते हैं 13 ग्रुप के, उनकी मैक्सिमम कोवेलेंसी कितनी है 6, जबकि इसकी कितनी होती है सिर्फ 4. Boron alone exhibit allotropy. It has two allotropic form, that is crystalline and amorphous. Boron shows plus 3 oxidation state, while others can show +1 and +3 oxidation states. Boron forms only covalent compounds, but all the other compounds form, aluminium forms some covalent compound and other forms electrovalent compound. Boron does not form cations in aqueous solution as the hydration energy is less than sum of 3 successive ionization energies. Boron halides are monomeric while the halides of the other elements are dimeric. It does not show the inert pair effect. Boron halides are electron deficient and act as electron Lewis acid. Boron trifluoride easily reacts with Lewis bases such as ammonia to complete octet around boron. Trihalides of group 13 being covalent are hydrolyzed by water. Boron trihalides due to absence of d orbitals form tetrahedral species, that is BOH whole 4 whole minus ion. This is the BOH ion. Whereas trihalides of aluminum and other elements form octahedral species like AlH2O whole 6 or say 3 plus. Boron forms a number of volatile hydrides which are electron deficient compounds. Others form only one polymeric hydride. Thallium does not form hydride. Boron does not decompose water or steam while other elements decompose hot water or steam. The oxides of boron, that is B2O3, is acidic in nature while the Similar oxide of the other elements are either amphoteric or basic. Barium trihydroxide is weakly acidic. Boron is not attacked by non-oxidizing acid, while other elements are attacked. Boron dissolved in concentrate HNO3 forming boric acid. The other elements become passive, especially aluminium and gallium. Boron combines with metals and forms borides, while other elements do not combine. They can form alloys. Now, comparison of boron and aluminum. First element of the group 13 is boron and second is aluminum. तो इन दोनों के जो बोरान ही जो थोड़ा डिफर करता है, बाकी एल्युमिनियम बाकी एलिमेंट से सिमिलरिटी रखता है. तो इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस या सिमिलरिटीज है, इस पे हम यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे. Since both boron and aluminum have 3 electrons in their valence shell, they have many similarities in their properties. Boron का electronic configuration 2 3, 1s2 2s2 2p1, जो कि हीलियम के बाद 2s2 2p1. एल्युमिनियम का एटॉमिक नंबर 13, जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 283. और SPDF में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p 1, इस तरह से यानी 3s2 3pn यहाँ इस तरह लिखा जाएगा. तो इसमें क्या है, शेल बढ़ गई यहाँ पे, लास्ट की जो शेल है उसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दोनों में सेम है, s2p1, यहाँ भी s2p1. On the other hand, they have different number of electrons in their penultimate shell. 2 in boron and 8 in एल्युमिनियम. ये कौन सी शेल, पेनल्टीमेट शेल कहलाती है, जो कि आउटर मोस्ट शेल से बाहर वाली होती है. तो इसके पास पेनल्टीमेट शेल में कितना, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है बोरान के पास, जबकि एल्युमिनियम के पास ये पेनल्टीमेट शेल है, इसके पास 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. And consequently show many dissimilarities also. First, we discuss the similarities, points of similarities. First है electronic configuration. अभी जो देखा, both have same number of electron in outermost shell, which is known as valency shell. Second, valency, both show trivalency. They do not show variable valency because their kernels are stable. It is difficult to get B3 plus ion because large amount of energy is required, and therefore boron forms tricovalent compounds. Aluminium also forms covalent compounds. It can, however, form covalent compounds. It can, however, form electrovalent compounds when it's combined with strong electron accepting atoms or groups. The size of aluminum ion is or Al3 plus ion is very small. On account of small size and high charge, it has high polarizing power. This accounts for a covalent character even in case of electrovalent compound. For example, aluminum chloride, aluminum bromide, aluminum iodide have covalent nature. Now, oxidation state. Both show common oxidation state of +3 in majority of their compounds. Compound oxidation state, ये बोरान के कंपाउंड है, बोरान ट्राईऑक्साइड, बोरान ट्राईक्लोराइड, बोरिक एसिड, सोडियम मेटाबोरेट, इन सब में बोरान की ऑक्सीडेशन +3 स्टेट है. इसी तरह एल्युमिनियम भी, एल्युमिनियम ऑक्साइड, एल्युमिनियम ट्राईक्लोराइड, एल्युमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सोडियम मेटा एल्यूमिनेट, इन सब में एल्युमिनियम की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितनी है, +3 है. Boron, however, also shows an oxidation state of -3 in the Metal borides, Mg3b2, magnesium, that is magnesium boride. Oxidation state of boron is -3. Now, action of alkalis, both dissolve in alkalis and evolve hydrogen. Boron dissolve in sodium hydroxide to form sodium borate, evolve hydrogen, and aluminum dissolved in NaOH solution to form sodium meta-aluminate and evolved hydrogen. Now, action of concentrated sulfuric acid, both reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid and evolve sulfur dioxide. Reaction is here. Borate reacts with sulfuric acid to form boric acid and sulfur dioxide. Process of the reaction, H2SO4 when uh, gives nascent oxygen, which reacts with boron to form boron trioxide, and this reacts with water to form boric acid, and the overall reaction is this. Like this, aluminium reacts with sulfuric acid to form aluminum sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and water. Now formation of oxides. Both form oxide of the type M2O3 when heated in atmosphere of oxygen at high temperature. Boron heated with oxygen or atmosphere at 700 degrees centigrade, it forms boric एनहाइड्राइड भी कहते हैं इसको बोरॉन ऑक्साइड and aluminum when heated in presence of oxygen or atmosphere 800 degrees centigrade it forms aluminum oxide or alumina. These oxides are amphoteric in nature. Boron oxide is more acidic and less basic, while aluminum oxide is more basic and less acidic. The boron oxide reacts with base to form sodium borate. Aluminum oxide reacts with acid and base both. With the acid, it forms aluminum chloride and water, and with base, it forms sodium meta-aluminate plus water. Now, formation of chlorides. Both forms trichlorides either by passing chlorine over heated boron or aluminum or by passing chlorine over heated mixture of their oxide and chloral. So boron reacts with chlorine and aluminum reacts with chlorine to form same compound, boron trichloride, and this is aluminum trichloride. Like this, boron oxide reacts with carbon and chlorine to form boron trichloride and carbon monoxide, and alumina reacts with carbon and chlorine to form aluminum chloride and carbon monoxide. These are the point of similarities. Trichlorides are hydrolyzed by water. That is, both show covalent character. Hydrolyzed by water, this form boric acid. But aluminum chloride reacts with water to form aluminum hydroxide. Highlights act as Lewis acid when your donor molecules are available. अमोनिया से रिएक्शन जब PCl3 का होता है तो अगर इसके पास डोनर मॉलिक्यूल है नाइट्रोजन जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करता है AlCl3 को, बिल्कुल उसी तरह जिस तरह से यहाँ अमोनिया बोरान को डोनेट करता है उसका नाइट्रोजन जो एटम है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर बोरान ट्राइक्लोराइड को डोनेट करके एक एडिशन कंपाउंड बनाता है, उसी तरह एल्युमिनियम को यहाँ नाइट्रोजन अमोनिया का इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करके एडिशन कंपाउंड बनाता है. Now formation of nitrides, both form nitrides of the type Mn when heated in atmosphere of nitrogen or ammonia. Boron reacts with nitrogen and boron reacts with ammonia to form boron nitride. In second reaction, it liberates hydrogen. Like this, aluminium reacts with nitrogen to form aluminium nitride and reacts with ammonia to form aluminium nitrides and liberate hydrogen. The nitrides undergo hydrolysis with steam. Both nitrides, boron and aluminium, undergoes hydrolysis. It forms boric acid. Boron nitride reacts with water to form boric acid and ammonia. and aluminum nitride reacts with water to form aluminum hydroxide and ammonia. Now formation of sulfides. Both form sulfide of type M2S3 when heated with sulfur. Aluminum and boron heated with sulfur to form boron sulfide, and this is aluminum sulfide. Sulfides are hydrolytes with water. B2S3 is reacted with water to form boric acid and hydrogen sulfide, and aluminum sulfide when hydrolyzed by water to form aluminum hydroxide and hydrogen sulfide. Now formation of alkyl compounds. Both form similar types of alkyl compounds such as BCH3 whole thrice, AlCH3 whole thrice. Barium chlorides with methyl zinc to form this compound ZnCH3 whole twice to form 2BCH3. यहाँ जिंक रिप्लेस हो जाता है बोरान से and ZnCl2. Aluminium reacts with 3HgCH3 whole twice to form AlCH3 whole thrice and Hg replaced by aluminium in these compounds. Now reducing nature, both act as powerful reducing agents. 4B plus 3CO2 to form 2B2O3 plus C, यानी इसको ये रिड्यूस कर देता है कार्बन में और बोरान. इसी तरह सिलिकन बोरान से रिएक्शन होता है तो बोरान सिलिकन ऑक्साइड को सिलिकन में रिड्यूस कर देता है, खुद बना लेता है बोरान ऑक्साइड. एल्युमिनियम क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड से रिएक्शन करके एल्यूमिना बनाता है और क्रोमियम को रिड्यूस कर देता है क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड से. इसी तरह फेरिक ऑक्साइड से रिएक्शन होता है एल्युमिनियम का तो एल्यूमिना प्लस फेरिक मिल जाती है, रिड्यूस हो जाता है फेरिक ऑक्साइड. और एल्युमिनियम का रिएक्शन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से होता है तो एल्यूमिना और कार्बन बनता है. Now action of steam. Boron reacts with steam at red heat liberating hydrogen. When strongly heated, it forms boron hydroxide and hydrogen. Aluminium decomposes boiling water to liberate hydrogen and form aluminium hydroxide. Now these are the similarities of the boron and aluminium. Now we discuss these dissimilarities between boron and aluminium. Boron and aluminium show dissimilarities in properties due to difference in their electronic configuration, size, and ionization potential. Main points of differences are given here in the table. इसको हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. इस तरह से बोरान और एल्युमिनियम दोनों के कंपैरिजन टेबल यहाँ पे दी हुई है. Boron is a non-metal, but aluminium is a metal. Boron is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, but aluminium is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Third point, boron has high melting point 2180 degrees centigrade, while aluminium has low melting point 660 degrees centigrade. Boron shows allotropy. The allotropic forms are crystalline boron and amorphous boron, but aluminium does not show allotropy. Boron not reacts with dilute HCl and dilute H2SO4, but aluminium dissolve in HCl and H2SO4, evolving hydrogen. The reaction is this: it forms aluminium sulfide and hydrogen. Boron attacked by concentrate nitric acid. The reaction is like this. Boron reacts with nitric acid to form boric acid. Overall reaction is here. But aluminium becomes passive with concentrate HNO3. A thin layer of aluminium oxide is formed on the surface, which make the metal inert. Now boron are very stable. not boron, borates are very stable and aluminates are less stable. Boron trichloride is fuming liquid, but aluminum chloride is a solid. Boron combined with metals, the compounds formed are called borides. मैग्नीशियम से रिएक्ट करके ये मैग्नीशियम बोराइड बनाता है. But aluminium forms alloy with metals. Boron hydroxide is weak acid, but aluminium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature. In boron, maximum covalency is 4 and is shown in compounds like potassium fluorochloride. But aluminium has a maximum covalency of 6, which is shown in compounds like Na3AlF6. This is due to the involvement of d orbitals of the valency shell. Boron forms a number of hydrides like B2H4, B2H10, B10H14, etc. These are covalent and electron deficient compounds, but aluminium does not form any stable and definite hydrides. A polymeric hydride, that is AlH3X, has been reported. Now, boron trihydride exists as discrete molecule, that is molecule in nature BH3. Due to its small size, boron cannot accommodate four large-sized halogen atoms around it. But aluminium trihalides like AlCl3, AlBr3 exist at divers, both in vapor state and in non-polar solvent as shown like this. Boron forms covalent compounds only, but aluminium forms both covalent and electrovalent compounds. Boron forms a covalent carbide B4C. Aluminium forms an ionic carbide Al4C3, which on hydrolysis evolve methane. Now we discuss again the properties of boron, जो कि हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. तो एक बार हम इसको रिवाइज कर लेंगे ताकि जो अभी सारी जो सिमिलरिटी डिससिमिलरिटीज पढ़ा है वो सारी चीज़ें फिर से क्लियर हो जाए. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज देखा. बोरान एग्जिस्ट इन सेवरल एलोटॉपिक फॉर्म्स. टू मेन एलोटॉपिक फॉर्म्स आर क्रिस्टलाइन एमॉर्फस. All the forms contains B12 isooctahedral units which with boron atoms at all the 12 corners. Crystalline form is black, chemically inert and very hard. Solid next only to diamond. Amorphous boron is a brown powder and chemically active. It has two isotopic forms, namely 5b10 and 5b11. 5b abundance of 5b11 is 80%. It is bad conductor of heat and electricity. It's difficult to fuse. Its melting point is this and boiling point is this. The value of various physical constants are given below. Atomic radius 0.88 angstrom, ionic radius 0.27 angstrom, and density 2.4 gram per liter. Ionization energy, first energy, second and third is much different from the first ionization energy. Its electronegativity is 2. Now, chemical properties, chemical inertness. Boron is chemically inert under ordinary atmospheric condition. However, it reacts with strong oxidizing agents like fluorine and concentrated nitric acid. Action of air and oxygen. It reacts with nitrogen and oxygen at 973 Kelvin or at high temperature to form boron trioxide, and with nitrogen is formed boron nitride. Action of water. Boron is not affected by water at ordinary condition. However, when steam is passed over red hot boron, hydrogen is liberated. The reaction is this. Action of acid. Boron is not affected by non-oxidizing agent. It is attacked by oxidizing acid like concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid. It reacts reacts with nitric acid to form concentrated nitric and sulfuric acid है boric acid, and here it reacts with sulfuric acid to form boric acid. In first case form nitrogen dioxide, and when reaction with sulfuric acid, byproduct is sulfur dioxide. Now action of alkalis, boron dissolve in fused alkalis liberating hydrogen. NaOH के साथ फ्यूज करते हैं इसको तो ये सोडियम बोरेट और हाइड्रोजन लिबरेट करता है. Action of metal boron combined with metal to form at a high temperature to form borides. The reaction is this. It reacts with magnesium to form magnesium boride and with chromium to form chromium boride. Action of non-metals, boron forms M2S2 and boron sulfide. When heated with sulfur, it forms an extremely hard substance, boron carbide. When heated with carbon in electric furnace, boron combines directly with chlorine and bromine at higher temperature. Reaction are here. Reacts with chlorine and bromine to form boron trichloride and boron tribromide. Reducing agent. It is powerful reducing agent. Carbon dioxide plus boron का रिएक्शन होता है तो ये कार्बन में रिड्यूस कर देता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को, और सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड को ये सिलिकॉन में रिड्यूस कर देता है. खुद क्या बनाता है? बोरान ऑक्साइड. Now this is some example to explain the property of boron. First is boron does not form boron P3 plus ion 5. Solution is that the total sum of all the three ionization energies of boron is so high. अभी देखा था that lattice energy liberated by the interaction of P3 plus ions and anions in the solid state or hydration energy in solution is not enough to exceed the sum of ionization energy. Thus, boron cannot lose its 3 electrons to form B3 plus ion. The second question is the second question arises. Explain why boron has high melting and boiling points. Boron has a GaN covalent polymeric structure both in solid and liquid state, thus it has high melting and boiling points. The third point is why borax solution alkaline. Borax is a salt of a strong base and a weak acid, hence it undergoes hydrolysis. Due to presence of NaOH, the solution is alkaline reaction इस तरह से होता है. इसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस NaOH बनता है, इसलिए सॉल्यूशन एल्कलाइन होता है, और ये बोरिक एसिड बनता है जो कि वीक एसिड है. The fourth point is boron and aluminum halides behave as Lewis acid. Both boron and aluminum atoms, after forming their halides MX3, possess 6 electrons in their valence shell. To complete octal, they can accept a lone pair of electrons, form a donor, and thus act as Lewis acid. Another question arises is right reaction to justify amphoteric nature of aluminum. So when aluminum reacts both with acid and base to form salt, as dissolved in mineral acid as well as in strong alkalis, it forms NaAlOH with alkali solution, and it forms AlCl3 with strong acid. Now, another point is boric acid a protic acid? Boric acid is not a protic acid as it does not furnish H plus ions in solution. Protic acid is will produce H plus ion or hydrogen ion in solution. So boric acid is not a protic acid as it does not furnish H plus ion solution. However, it reacts with water and accepts one lone pair of electrons, form oxygen atom of water molecule, that is, it is hydrated like this. This species release a proton in solution. तो खुद ये प्रोटिक एसिड नहीं है. तो इस तरह से ये नॉर्मल बिहेवियर ऑफ बोरान एंड सम or some similarities and dissimilarities of aluminum and with other metals of the group 13 and boron is discussed here. तो इस तरह से आज की क्लास में बहुत अच्छी बातें तुम्हें समझ में आई होंगी. अब कल के क्लास से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे या अगले क्लास से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ग्रुप 14 ई ब्लॉक के ग्रुप 14 के बारे में डिटेल स्टडी, उसकी जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, उसके बाद उसके फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर कंपाउंड्स, इसके बारे में हम आगे की क्लासों में डिस्कस करेंगे.